Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer from Stripe to Wise account. So first, you may want to head over to your Stripe account at stripe.com. So just make sure that you're logged into your account. Then next in the left panel, click on balances. And you're just going to need to start adding your Wise account. And to do that, click on add bank account. And from here, a new window will then pop up, and all you have to do is enter in the details being asked. So enter in transit number, institution number, account number, and once again, enter in your WISE account number. Then once everything is done, just click on add bank account. Just a reminder that for you to be able to fully connect or transfer from Stripe to Wise, you're going to need to first verify your Stripe account and switch to live account. So make sure that you click on this button. And from here, you're going to need to finish activation for your account, starting with verifying your business, then continue. And of course, you're also going to need to add more details about your business. So we're just going to proceed with the on-screen prompts and questions. So just enter in your business details, public details, and of course, you're going to need to add your bank. From here, you can start adding your Wise account as shown earlier, add extras, of course, but you can skip this part. And lastly is review that all the details are all correct and you have completed filling in details about your Stripe account. And once everything is good, just proceed by clicking on agree and submit. Once everything is set up properly, all correct and accurately, you should be able to seamlessly transfer between Stripe and Wise. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.